Tomorrow's Valentine's Day and a work day, and you would like to bring something nice for your team. Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks with strawberry cream cheese cookies. So let's get started. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. Let's prepare the wet ingredients. Set your timer for 12 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Cream cheese was first developed in Normandy, France, and this occurred around 1035. Those look great right out of the oven. Allow cookies to cool for 10 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's try one. Wow, the strawberry flavor is really nice and creates a great cookie. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. What a great gift for the team. Stay with us, watch another video.